What's good? What's good? It is day five. No, day five. Day five. We are on the solar plexus chakra. We are on the third chakra. Color is yellow. It is about confidence. It's about identity. The sun rules this chakra. It is your inner fire. It is your motivation. It is your drive. When I was focused on, turn this way, y'all don't need to see where I'm at. Y'all can see these plants though. But when I was focused on the sacral chakra, yeah, yesterday and the day before just wasn't, I don't know, just wasn't the days to make a video. So coincidentally, I'm wearing this peachish color that's close to orange. That's why it's so important to get away from the noise and tap into you and your intuition so you know where you're being led. Yes. So now we are on the solar plexus, day 1 of 2 for the solar plexus, and every day, this is my project, this is my job. I foresee and this is my domain in here. And so I'm slowly, setting seeds and cultivating the soil, and all of this is just very grounding. So that is also root chakra energy. And it also, but that also touches on other things too, because it's a little bit of play for me too, because I enjoy this. So that's sacral chakra. And then it's green energy, so that's heart chakra as well. That's love and compassion for these plants and really connecting. And then also sacral chakra is also your relationships and connections, and I'm connecting with these plants. These are living beings. So rambling a little bit, I wanted to touch on a little bit of the energy of the sacral chakra. So the color is orange. It rules our emotions. It rules our sensuality, our sexuality, our relationships, our connections, our playfulness, dancing and movement and all that stuff. So that's what I was doing. I was vibing to music in here on the first day, just dancing in my own world, tuning. There's so many, see the life coming in here. The blossoms are blossoming, and the blossoms are blossoming. The flowers are blossoming on these trees. You can see this tree right here and that tree right over there. Those are fruit trees. We got some fig trees, some pear trees and stuff, berry bushes, you know. So that was the quick recap of the sacral chakra. So now we are on the solar plexus chakra. And like I said, it is yellow. The planet is the sun. It is your self-identity, your confidence. It is your motivation. It is your drive. That fire in your belly. Your sacral is like your womb. That's where, for women, is where our uterus, where our womb sits. For men, their root chakra lies where their testes are. So your solar is right above your navel, right above your belly button, in that space, kind of right underneath your rib cage. So when you talk about that fire in your belly, that oomph, that energy, like I said, the sun energy, identity, that is solar plexus energy. So that's what we're focusing on right now. And I haven't been making my fruit juices because Kroger was out of a lot of stuff. This shortage, y'all, it's time. If you're not growing your own food, you need to get connected with people who are. You need to know where farmers markets are. You need to befriend the farmers, barter and trade, because it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Soon. Come, like, I ain't even about, this not a prophetic message right now. Yeah, a lot of fruit and stuff just was not in stock. So I couldn't find all the ingredients for like the fruit juices, the recipe that's in the self-care package. So I just decided just to get like the side snack fruits and vegetables, vegetation, produce, which is actually perfect because them juices be clearing you the fuck out. And you need to balance and give your body break and grace and stuff, because it's not good to always be releasing. That's how you deplete yourself. So now we're revitalizing with our foods and taking a break from those juices. So yeah, I'm not going to do a juice, but let me not get ahead of myself. We're here on the solar plexus. I've just been focusing on, of course, still color therapy, the colored clothes that I wear, the colored fruits and foods and the energy of the food that I eat, and the yogic, and meditative practices that I do are focused on specific chakras while I am focused on that specific chakra. So I already did my yoga practice today. I feel like that's pretty much it, because I'm just rambling at this point. I'm just talking to y'all, I'm just talking now. But yeah, I'm done. I just came in here to check on the plants real quick. I'm about to go back in the woods and meditate and commune with nature, Mother Gaia, Pachamama, and my spirit guides. See what they talking about today. And just, be in my own safe haven, my own space and energy. Because times, energy. If you know, shifts and has already been happening. Changes have already been happening. Societal, political, economical, spiritual, energetic, relational, personal, physical, all the things. We're in a major, like when they talk about what do they be calling, purgatory? This is purgatory. This is purgatory, when you about to fuck around and find out, what the rest of your life about to be. This is the year of the 8, which I'm gonna make a separate video. I'm not even gonna go down that road. I'm gonna make a separate video, maybe when I'm out in the woods, because this karma topic was on my mind heavy last night, and especially when I woke up today. But tap in with yourself, tap in with nature, tap in with spirit and your guides and your team. It's imperative right now. There's no, take accountability, take action, take initiative. Stop listening. That's it for this video. Until next time, peace and pleasure, royal family, sacred goddess, energy, Ali Nicole, out.